This lesson is about the story we shall read is set in the future. That how we will study in future, what is the procedure of studying and teaching. When books and schools as we know them will perhaps not exist. At that time there will be no books or no teachers. Only students will continue their study by uh, computers and other instruments. How will children study them? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Here it is given the diagrams that how the students will get their study. In pairs, discuss three things that you like best about your school and three things about your school that you would like to change. How have you ever read words on a television or computer screen? You all have seen in the computer screen how you can study on the screen. Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers? You can imagine about it that all the books were loaded in computers and you get study on the screens. And there will be no books printed on papers. How would you like such books later? Or these type of books are better or the books on the computer screen are better? You can imagine it. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 21057. This story is about the future on the year 21057. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. She wrote in her diary that Tommy found a book which is a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Margie was a little girl and she is going to tell that his grandfather told her about the books and the stories which were written on the paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. So the books were very old and their pages get yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means which have some layers. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed on a screen. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it had when they read it the first time. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. Tommy said that this is not so true. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it and it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away. Tommy is saying that there are so many books on the computer screen and we can read it from it. Same with me, said Margie. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. So here both the students' age is given that Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. Margie is younger than Tommy. She said, where did you find it? Margie told to Tommy that where did he find that book? In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. What is it about? So Tommy said that he found that book in the attic. Attic means the place where some waste material of our house are kept below the roof. What is it about? Margie said to Tommy that this book is related to which subject? What is it about? Tommy said that it is about the school. Margie was scornful. School? What is there to write about school? I hate school. Margie is so furious that about the school. What is the school? And she said that I hate school. I don't like school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been doing worse and worse had been giving her test after test in geography. Margie also hated school because her geography teacher is giving, mechanical teacher is giving test and test one after another in geography subject. And she had been doing worse and worse. And she is not doing good in that test until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the country's inspector. Her mother was also disappointed about Margie's result, so she sent for the country's inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. That inspector is in of short sight, looking round that round little man. His face was red looking and he had a box of tools which have all types of tools and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. But he knew how all right, and after an hour it was again. Margie was thinking that that inspector could not arrange the system, but he had arranged it, repaired it, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and all the questions were asked. That was not so bad. The part Margie headed most of the slot where she had put homework and test papers. There was a slot in the system on computer screen where all the students put their homework, which they had done by their own. She always had to write them out in a punch code, and that homework was in a punch code, which all cannot understand. It is a secret language. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. The calculation of the marks was done very quickly, without no more time. The inspector had smiled after she was finished and patted Margie's head. The inspector was very happy with the Margie and she patted her head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." That inspector told to Margie's mother that this is not fault of this little girl. The system has some fault, and the question paper was so difficult that it was not of Margie's level. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10 years level. Inspector told that the level of that question paper was so high, and I have now arranged the level of this girl. I have slowed it up to an average of 10 years level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Now inspector again patted her head of Margie, and he said that the progress of this girl is quite satisfactory. Don't worry about her. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping that would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Margie was thinking that they will take this inspector away and she had not to study. But this was happened with Tommy when his history sector was blank and his teacher was taken. But in this case, in Margie's case, it was not happened and the system was also okay and now she has to continue her study. Tommy looked at her with superior eyes because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the words carefully, centuries ago. Tommy said to Margie that these all books are about centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the books over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Margie said that the old students had teachers and they studied from them. So they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Tommy said that they surely had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. A man is teaching to them. A man, how could a man be a teacher? Margie told how a man can be a teacher because she doesn't have any man teacher. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Tommy said that teacher teaches the students and give him homework and also ask question to them. Here we have completed our half lesson and we will continue it in our next period. Okay, thank you.